During the last day of the Cultural Week in Rongo University, the students and staff from different cultures come together to showcase their cultures in a way of promoting their talents. The theme of the event being building bridges through cultural integration to enhance national cohesion in the society. The Deputy Vice Chancellor for Academic and Student Affairs, Agustin Onkware, said that the aim of the event is to unify people and not to alienate some.
That as a country with many ethnic entities and races, we come together to celebrate our cultural diversity, which then should unite us.
The chairman of the Rongo University Student Association, Felix Adundo, also said that this gathering of diverse cultures is a symbol of the beauty of the school as well as the society.
As we gather here today in celebration of our diverse cultures, it is important to note that our beauty as an institution emanates from this diversity.
Apart from showcasing different cultures, also local foods are prepared as a way of demonstrating and appreciating particular cultures. Being done once yearly, the students also get time to talk to one another away from their normal classes routine. This also helps them to realize their talents, strengths as well as their weaknesses.
I'm a student of Rongo University, and so far the Cultural Week celebration has been something great. This is the time we get to know the strengths of each and every student. We get to go to the field, you know, we do talent search, and that is where we get to know what each student can do.
Ni siku ambayo ina manufaa mengi sana. Kibinafsi naweza sema kwamba inasaidia, licha ya kwamba inasaidia katika utangamano wa wanafunzi, manake ukiangalia kuanzia tangu semester ama muhula uanze, ni kipindi hiki tu kwa mwaka ambacho kinafanyika mara moja kwa mwaka, inafanyika ama inaleta wanafunzi wote pamoja.
It also creates a better relationship between the students and the staff.
This festivity is good for the organization because this is where students and teachers and staff come together to play with one another and to interact, and so to know more about each other, and this increases the chances of having a good organizational performance.
It has been a busy week in Rongo University, where the administration had organized this event in order to appreciate different cultures, since the students in this school come from different communities. Of course, this has been an enchanting week whereby students have been enjoying themselves in this cultural week. Reporting for AGR, I'm Edwin Mokaya.